Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babawinje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hours I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use a ripe pineapple and 4 pieces of bay leaf and 16 cloves. That whenever you use this assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, your enemies, your friends, your relatives, they will gather to celebrate with you by the grace of Almighty God. By the grace of Almighty God. Those enemies that want your downfall, that they are using their spiritual power to delay your destiny. Are you with me? After this assignment, the hatred in your life, God is going to add sweetness into your life. You are kind of person that maybe they hate you for no reason in your working place, in your environment. You understand? I will advise you to try this simple recipe. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. So, how to do it and how to use it. You need a ripe pineapple. A ripe pineapple. 1. Then remove the head. You cut the head, the leaf, cut it and throw it away. Do not peel the pineapple, right? You slice the pineapple according to your age. If you are 30 years old, you are going to pieces that pineapple in a 30 places. You understand? But if you don't know your age, you cut it anyhow. You understand? And do not count it. Do not count it. Are you with me? So, but if you are 30 years old or you mistakenly cut it to 31 pieces, you understand? You have to cut it, recut it, and do not count it. So you pack all those pineapple in that water. You need a bucket of water. Pack all those pineapple in that water. Are you with me? So the 4 bay leaves, you put it, the bay leaf without wound or tear, like this leaf, the bay leaf, the bay leaf must not tear or have a hole. You need 4. Put it in that water. So the clove, don't need to powder it. Just put it in that water. On Wednesday morning, early in the morning, around 6-7, you prepare this water. Then you cover it. The next day, which is on Thursday, you understand, you bathe this water around 8 a.m. Use this water to wash every part of your body around 8 a.m. You understand? 8 a.m. So in the evening, around 5, 6, 7, 8. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. Use the same water to wash every part of your body. So you are going to use it twice in a day. You understand? And you must do this on Wednesday and Thursday. You prepare the water on Wednesday and use it to bathe on Thursday. I think you understand what I'm saying. It's very simple and very, very effective. You can be doing it once in a month, most especially the first Wednesday of the month. You understand? The first Wednesday of the month. We advise you to do it. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my instruction. If you believe that people hate you for no reason, you understand? Disappointment everywhere, promise and faith. Do this assignment. God is going to put sweetness into your life. So very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. So please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like it, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Èyí tí mo bára sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo pineapple, ọ̀pọ̀ òyìnbó pípọ́n àti wọ́n pe ewé kan ní bay leaf. Ó common dáadáa tí ẹ bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó ń ta, ó tún sí àwọn eléwé ọmọ ló máa ń tà. Àwọn tó máa ń tà bí àwọn tó máa ń ta àwọn spiritual materials, àwọn tó máa ń ta àwọn perfume, ẹ máa rí lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Bay leaf, ẹ need ẹyọ mẹ́rin tí ò luwò, tí ò dẹ̀ rún, tí ò gé. Tá bá rí tútù ẹ̀ náà ò dáa. A wá need the cloves, that is kànáfùrù mẹ́rìndínlógún. Ọjọ́ Wednesday la máa ṣe ètò yìí ní àárọ̀ kùtùkùtù ọjọ́ Wednesday. Pineapple yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká kán orí ẹ̀ dànù. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gé pineapple yẹn sí iye ọjọ́ orí wa. Tá bá mọ iye ọjọ́ orí wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gé lẹ́níhàó. A sì gbọdọ̀ ká. Tó bá jẹ́ pé a mọ ọjọ́ orí wa, a lè gé ká ká. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tá bá mọ ọjọ́ orí wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gé lẹ́níhàó. Ọ̀pọ̀ òyìnbó tó pọ́n ni o, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sínú omi. Tá bá ti dà sínú omi yẹn, omi tó fẹ́ fi wẹ̀. Bay leaf yẹn mẹ́rin, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sí. Kànáfùrù mẹ́rìndínlógún, ẹ má jẹ́ ká lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ìdí rẹ̀ ká fi dè. Ẹ wá jẹ́ kí a gbé kalẹ̀. Tó bá di aago 8 ọjọ́ Thursday, ẹ jẹ́ ká bu omi ká fi ṣan gbogbo ara látòkè délẹ̀. Lọ́jọ́ yẹn náà tó bá di aago 5 tàbí 6 tàbí 7 tàbí 8, ẹ jẹ́ ká tún bu omi ká fi yòókù ká fi ṣan gbogbo ara. Àwọn pineapple, àwọn nǹkan tó wà yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ dànù. Àwa lè máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lóṣù. Pàápàá jùlọ Wednesday àkọ́kọ́ nínú oṣù, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa prepare ká máa wẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ Thursday. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ọba tó ń fi adùn sínú ìgbésí ayé yàn yóò fi adùn sínú kíkorò ayé ẹni tó bá ń lo iṣẹ́ yìí. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ogun promise and faith, ogun èèyàn gbé ọjà kan kalẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn bá yàn rà, wọn patronize èèyàn, àwọn èèyàn hate èèyàn for no reason, ó máa dínkù nínú ìgbésí ayé wa. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutio Ọlátìbóyè. Tó bá dìgbà mi, á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tuntun yàtọ̀ sílé wa. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe straight up, kí lè kún fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi tà ṣe àtẹ̀yí tà ṣe, torí pé èyí tí a ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. La fi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.